Okay, here is my sentence. Can you see between each crack? Now I am going to circle one word. What word did I circle? I circled see. Can you see between each crack? What word did I circle now? Between. Can you see between each crack? And now I circled each. Can you see between each crack? Caroline's laughing at my sentence. I didn't make it up. Fundations made it up. Okay, can you see between each crack? So I want you to look. These are our 3 new trick words. See, between, each. The word see has our E vowel team. The team that says E, long E sound. And then between has the same one. I see be, tw, een, between. And finally, our word each has our EA vowel team. EA, eat, E. EA, each, E. Can you see between each crack? All right, boys and girls, I want you to look at this word. Actually, yeah, we'll do it there. Okay. This is our new trick word, see. S-E-E-C. I see you sitting there. See. Can you please spell this with me? S-E-E-C. Spell it really big in the air with your arm. S-E-E-C. Now spell it really tiny with your eyes closed. S-E-E-C. That is our new trick word, see. And here is your new trick word card that I will add to our stack. That word is see. What word? See. All right, now your next new trick word is a long one, but break it into chunks. We have be, tw, een, between. That word is between. Let's spell it together with our fingers. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. Let's spell it really big with your arm. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. And here is our new trick word, between, on its card, and I will add it to our stack. And last but not least, we have one more new trick word. Here it is. Each. This word is each. Let's spell it really tiny with our finger. E-A-C-H, each. Spell it on your table in front of you, or your leg, or your belly, something that you can write on with your finger. E-A-C-H, each. Now spell it with your eyes closed. E-A-C-H, each. This word is each. And here's your new card. Goes right in the pile of trick words, and we'll practice it next time with all of the trick words. All right, you guys, we are going to stop there for today. Nice work. You have nothing to write today, so that's good. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.